Hello everyone, welcome to the Educon Community Practical Series DBMS. Today we will do the assignment number 1, that is ER model to relational model 1. So the question is that design an ER diagram for a motor vehicle branch that administers driving tests and issues driver's licenses, and analyze the requirements by identifying the entities, attributes, relationships, keys, constraints, etc., and apply extended entity relationship features to the design and defend your design with proper assumptions and justifications, and map the ER model into a relational model. So we have to do main three things. First one is ER model. Second one is relational model, means from ER model to relational model. And third one is assumptions or justifications. So it is our sample diagram, diagram. So the first entity is driver, and driver takes test. So driver can take many tests. So here the relationships is one to many. Okay, and the attributes of driver are name, driver ID, mobile number. So driver ID is the primary key here, and he takes test, many tests. So there will be some attributes of test. Those are test ID, examiner, test date. So test ID is the primary key here. And next relationship is that driver approaches branches. Okay, so it is many to many relationship. So here the branch has branch number and branch address, where branch number is the primary key. Branch number, branch address, and contact number. And branch conducts test for the drivers. So one branch can conduct many tests. So it is also one to many relationships. And branch issues license test if passes. If driver takes tests and if he will pass, then he will get license and license will be issued from the branch. Okay, and license can be for two-wheeler or four-wheeler. Okay, so it is also here an easy relationship. And license has two attributes here: license expiry and license number, where license number is the primary key. Now we will go to convert the ER diagram into relationship model. So one is driver table, which has name, driver ID, mobile number attribute, and driver ID is the primary key here, and it approaches, okay, approaches the branch. Okay, so here driver ID is the foreign key from the driver, and here branch number is the another foreign key from branch, where branch number is the primary key of branch. Okay, and driver can take the tests and branch issues license. It can be for two-wheeler or can be for four-wheeler. So now our assumptions are like that. One driver can take many tests. Many drivers can approach for exam in many branches. So here it is many to many. Many drivers can approach many branches. One branch issues many license. Here one branch issues many license. So here it is one to many relationship. Next one is passing a test will fetch a license. And license can either be a two-wheeler or four-wheeler type. So that's for today's session. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe as much as possible for getting such videos more and more. Thank you.